Hello, and welcome to our new unit, Unit 3, The Thoughtful Consumer. We are finished with Unit 2, Getting a Job. We are now in Unit 3, The Thoughtful Consumer. We are in Week 9, Managing Money. Let's see what we have to do for today. Day 1, Monday, April 5th. First, you'll watch this video, then you'll click Async. You have two activities in Async. First activity is page 42, part 2A and B in your book. You will listen and fill out this chart and then take a picture and upload it into Schoology. Your second assignment is a Nearpod grammar lesson, present perfect versus present perfect progressive. We have done Nearpods for 9 weeks, so you guys are all experts. Click join lesson and then go ahead, take notes. Okay, read and take notes, and then you'll write some sentences. Remember to read the examples and the directions. You write your sentence and you submit. When we use for and since, and then you'll take a quiz. And then you'll continue to read and take notes. Read and take notes, action versus non-action. So this is matching. Okay, which verbs are action, which verbs are non-action. So you'll scroll down and see. If that's a problem, remember you can go to full screen. Go ahead and continue to read and take notes. And then you'll play a game, and then you're done. And that's it for async. It's a Monday, so that means we have Zoom class together. So we will do a little check-in and practice present perfect and do fact and opinion and some vocabulary building. And that's it for today. Good luck.